Hello, I am Miss Eileen and welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'll be teaching you about the grade 2 maths. So this module is titled Math Mindset, Enhance Your Minds with Math. This is a digital work test in math for grade 2. So let's start. This digital module is also available in my TPT store. It is exclusive for my school, but if you pay for it, you'll be able to get the exclusivity. So let's start. We're going to learn about Chapter 1, Understanding Sets and Whole Numbers. This chapter includes 4 lessons. First is Lesson 1, Identifying, Describing, and Comparing Sets. Lesson 2, Reading and Writing Numbers up to 10,000. Lesson 3, Skip counting by hundreds up to 1,000 and by 1,000s up to 9,000. And Lesson 4, Identifying the place value of each digit in 3 to 4 digit numbers. So be sure to stay tuned, like and subscribe, and share this to kids you know who'd like to learn about grade 2 math. So let's start with having Lesson 1. Identifying, describing, and comparing sets. Let's say, do you have pets at home? How many pets do you have? And how do you care for them? David, Daniel, and Darwin have pets at home. They love to take good care of them every day. So this is Daniel's pets. As you can see, if you count it, he has 4 dogs, 3 pups, and 1 young dog. Darwin's pets are rabbits. He has 5 rabbits with different colors. And David's pets are different kinds of birds. He has a parrot and a dove and all kinds of birds on its cages. Each group of pet animals is called a set of pet animals. So these are set of birds, set of bunnies or rabbits, and set of dogs. A set is a group of objects put together. Each object in a set is called a member or an element. Look at the following set. So this set is a set of toy animals. So if you have this at home, good for you. This is a set of things shaped like a circle. Samples are tires, CD discs, pizzas, and plates. In here, as you can see, you might wonder, why is it blank? It is called an empty set. An empty set is nothing or no object in this set. We can sort things into sets. Sets can be described according to color, size, shape, and kind. So these are a set of small things such as rings, buttons, clips, and thumbtacks. So these are a set of fruits. Equivalent and non-equivalent sets. So we're going to study the following sets. As you can see, they're on the left side or on the A set, there are 4 birds, while on the set B, there are 4 nests for 4 birds. Set A and set B have different members, but they have the same number of elements. They are what you call equivalent sets. So what is equivalent sets? Equivalent sets have the same number of elements, but may have different members or elements. We use the symbol, a 2-sided arrow, for equivalent set. We say set A is equivalent to set B. It means you have 4 birds, and when they go to their nests, they also have 4 nests there. We write that as set with a double-edged arrow, set B. Look at the 2 sets below. As you can see, there are 3 pups and there are 4 bunnies. And there are less puppies than rabbits. We can also say that there are more rabbits than puppies. Now, what do you call this set? This set is non-equivalent sets. It means they have different number of members or elements. We use the double-edged arrow with a line or a slash for non-equivalent set. We say or we tell that as set C is non-equivalent to set D. Set C now has the sign double-edged arrow, don't forget the slash, set D. Here are more examples of equivalent sets and non-equivalent sets. We have here B for boys and G for girls. Set B is equivalent to set G because both of their groups have 3 people. Set B is equivalent to set G. Okay, set S is non-equivalent to set D. Why is that? Because there are only 2 basketballs and 4 footballs. So you can say that set S is non-equivalent to set D. Equal and non-equal sets. Look at this set. On set M, you have 4 chairs, and on your set N, there are also 4 chairs. How many elements are in set M? How many elements are in set N? As you can see, I have said a while ago, there are both 4. Do they have the same number of elements? Yes, they do. Do they have the same kind of elements? Yes, they also do, because both of them are green chairs. Set M and set N are equal sets. The 2 sets have the same kind of elements. They have the same number of elements too. In this case, we use the symbol for equal with the 2 line for equal sets. We say that as set M is equal to set N, which is set M is with the 2 line set N. Now, look at the 2 sets below. We have here set R and set S. First, let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on your set R. And on your set S, you have 3, 6, and then 7, 8 for your set S. The number of lollipops in set R is not equal to the number of lollipops in set C because they have different equivalents. We use now the symbol with a double line and a slash for sets which are not equal. We say set R is not equal to set S. We write that as set R with a double line or the equal sign with a slash set S. Study the given sets. Complete each sentence. Set P, set O, and set D. Set P is a set of dolls. So, how many dolls are in there? Yes, there are 4 dolls in set P. Now let's go to number 2. Set O is a set of blank teddy bears. Again, how many teddy bears are there? You got it correct. There is 4 teddy bears there. Set P is equivalent to set what? Actually, set P is equivalent to set O. Why? Because they have the same number of items but different stuffed toys. So the other one on set P are dolls and the other one is teddy bears. So set P is equivalent to set O. Number 4, set P is equal to set. Yes, set P is equal to set T because both of them has the same number of items and the both of them are dolls. If you got all of them correct, then it means you understand our lesson for today's video. If you have any more questions, don't be afraid to comment down below. And if you want to try out our worksheets, they are available at our TPT store, Miss Eileen. I hope you learned our lesson for today. Remember, never give up and keep learning. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!